Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the multiple ratios black frame mockup in Photopea. So first go to photopea.com in any web browser and then click open from computer to open the mockup. I've already got it open in this tab just to make it a little faster. And then you're going to just basically add your design to the smart object. So we're going to be doing all our work in this handy layers panel here. If you don't see it, go to window and then click on layers to bring it up. And then you just want to choose the aspect ratio you want. So let's say you wanted to use a square design. You would just click the box next to square to turn that layer on, and then we'll click the eye icon in the A4 layer to turn that layer off, and then click the arrow next to the square layer group to expand it, and you'll see this design dash canvas layer. We just want to double click the thumbnail icon in the design dash canvas, and that'll open up our smart object. And then just go to File, Open, and find your design. And then select all, then edit, copy, and then click back on the Smart Object tab and go to Edit, Paste. And you might want to resize it a little. So then just go to Edit, Free Transform. And I'm just going to press Control- to zoom out a little. If you're on a Mac, it's Command-. And I'm going to hold down the Shift key to keep the design proportional, and just click and drag any of the four corners. And then once you've got it resized the way you want, just go to File, Save Smart Object. And once it says Smart Object Updated, you can close the X to close the Smart Object, and then close the original graphics. And it'll put your design in the frame just like that. You've got many different aspect ratios to choose from, so you can do a lot of different mockups off of this. And you can change the backgrounds. To do that, just click the arrow next to the backgrounds layer to expand it. And then click the eye icons on and off to toggle through the different background layers. And when you're all done, if you're going to use this online as a thumbnail on a website like Etsy, you'll want to save a version as a JPEG. So to do that, just go to File, Export as JPEG. And then if you want a layered PSD file with your design, you can come back here a second time and go to File, Save as PSD. And that's all there is to adding your design to the multiple ratio black frame mockup in Photopea. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.